Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by isolating power, turn the breaker off, and verify with a multimeter. Once done, remove the diffuser or glass cap carefully. Some twist off, others pry with a flat tool. Make note or photo of how the PCB and wires sit. This saves time later. Then desolder or unclip the base connection to free the LED board. You do this now so wiring and polarity are obvious. It prevents mistakes when you swap parts. You next test the LED strings and driver output. Measure DC voltage at the driver terminals and continuity across each LED. If a driver shows 0 or unstable DC, it's the likely culprit. If individual LEDs are open, replace those diodes. Once identified, remove the faulty driver and install a replacement with matching voltage and current ratings. Make sure you connect polarity correctly. Bad polarity or cold solder joints cause flicker. After soldering, visually inspect joints and secure. You reassemble the bulb carefully, restoring the PCB to the base and securing the diffuser. Once assembled, restore power and test the bulb. Observe steady brightness for several minutes. If you see flicker or dimming, make sure solder joints are solid and the replacement driver matches the original specs. Insufficient current causes instability. Also check for heat-related issues. Poor thermal contact shortens life. If things still fail, swap in a known.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.